Hey, what is up, guys? So, this is a little bit of an unusual video because I don't usually speak on my videos. Anyway, I bought these cheap, basically brandless LED headlamps from, I don't think I'm supposed to say the website. So, from the internet. It took like 1 month for me to get them, more than 1 month. Anyway, I already fitted them. I just fitted them for my high beams and my fog lamps. For the high beams, I bought 6000K 9005, that is HB3 bulb type, and for my fog lamps, I got 3000K H11 type bulbs. I forgot to take a video of the bulbs before I fix them, but I think I should have a photo of it. If I do, I'll slide it in here. Yeah, and I've already fitted them, so let's check them out first. And this is how they look switched off. So yeah, I'm gonna do a small night drive. I'm gonna wait till it's night time to do a POV and see whether they're actually good or not. Is it good? Alright guys, so I'm gonna do my first night drive test here. Even though I got the vehicle here, I actually didn't switch on the high beams or the fog lamps till now. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna just drive, but before that I want to tell you that the bulbs that I bought are both for the high beam and the fog lamps are 28 watts, which is equal to around 72 watt power output in a halogen spectrum. So it's supposed to be better on the wires and the harness and all the holders and all. So let's test it out. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till the traffic clears a bit and then yeah. All right. Right now we are on low beams without the stock bulbs. I'm gonna put the fog lamps on first. Oh, actually they're nice and bright. And I'm gonna turn on the high beams, which is not that bright. It does the job, but it's not that bright. They're good enough. It does its job, but the high beams are not that bright, to be honest. I should have bought something more than 28 watt, I think, for the high beams. I don't know how you're seeing it from the camera because I haven't checked out the footage yet, but in real life they're a bit dimmer than the normal halogen bulbs. lamps are amazing though. The fog lamps, I'm gonna pull over here and then test it out again. Oh yeah, the fog lamps are amazing. You can live with this. You can live with this. There's no problem with it. I mean, the high beams, you can live with it. I should have gone for something like 35 watt LEDs, but it's okay though. It's really okay. Okay, so we are in a bit of a isolated road, so I want to try driving with just the fog lamps if I can. Actually, you can. They're so bright that you really can just drive with just the fog lamps on. The 3000K bulbs are fantastic. Check out the high beam. It's bright enough. Okay, so it's a bit of a pitch black area here. If you turn on the lights, you can see, you can't see anything without the lights. So the high beam works, you can't complain. Fog lamps are amazing, they really illuminate well. I mean, I'm pretty happy with the purchase considering they were very cheap. I don't know how long they will last, but even if they don't, I'm happy with this. Go LED if you can. So that's kind of it for my first sort of review, I would guess, of something other than a car. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.